When you first get to the Storybird website, you're going to see this screen here. You're going to want to click the Sign Up for Free button, at which point you're going to say that you're a student and use the Sign In with Google. You'll see your Miller email address. Since I've already signed up for a teacher account, I'm going to use my personal address, but you should use your marshalltown@k12.ia.us address. You're going to hit Allow. After that, you'll create a username. You should use the first bit of your email just like you would to log into your Google. Skip creating an avatar, and you're ready to go. Now, when you get into Storybird, your first thing would be to create. You're going to look at all of the artwork and choose one that you like. Say I like this one here. You'll then be able to see all of this person's artwork. This way, you can create your story based around the types of art that it has. I'm going to do a story about bunnies and say, use this art. We're going to do a picture book, a multi-page picture book. And there you have it. Now, anytime you want to move the art or change the art, you would click on it and drag it. You need to make sure that if you're going to add text, that you would be able to see where to go from here. I'm going to move the screen down. I know I'm going to type, and I'm going to say now, keep in mind, I'm going to move my screen down a little bit so you guys can see this down here. You have ways to add pages on this side, so I would add the next page. You also have the necessity to save. This is not Google. This does not save automatically, so you have to hit save before it will save. Note the timestamp as to when it saves. If I wanted to add another picture, I'd click and drag it. Okay, this is a picture that takes up the entire page. I'd add a page and type. Keep in mind you are writing a children's story, so this type of language needs to be very simple and very easy to follow. I'm going to save again, and that's going to be the end of my story and the end of my tutorial. If I wanted, I can change this font, so on and so forth. Okay, we're going to save and close, and that would be how we start a story.